Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make your own custom stickers, die cut stickers or labels. You can put these on bottles, jars, anywhere you want to place a sticker. So once you have your image, the first thing you're going to need to do is get the paper. I'll put a link to the description of this paper that I use below. It is a high gloss, water resistant, and it has these little cuts in the back that makes peeling the stickers very easy. Alright, so once you have your image, you have your paper, you're gonna need a way to print it. I have a laser printer. I'm using the Xerox Phaser 6700 printer right there. And then you're gonna need a machine to cut them out. You could go ahead and cut these out by hand, but if you're selling these to somebody, or if you're doing like short run labels for like a bottle or a wine jar, you're gonna want them to look as professional as possible. So you're gonna need a machine to do that. In today's tutorial we'll be using the Brother Scan and Cut. Basically this machine is going to scan this sheet without any registration marks or anything like that. It has a built-in scanner, so it'll be able to go around the border edges of the image to create a die cut label or sticker. So yeah, again, this is the Brother Scan and Cut. I'll show you how to really use it. It's gonna be a quick tutorial, so we won't go too in depth on this one. First step is gonna be to print out your sticker sheet. We've gone ahead and done that. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our cutting machine. So like I said before, this is gonna cut the outlines of each individual sticker, so you know we get that professional look. Let's put exposure lock off. Alright, cool. So this is a cutting mat. Basically this is what you load inside the Brother Scan and Cut machine. Unlike the Silhouette Cameo and the other machines, we don't need to print registration marks. This Brother machine has a built-in scanner, so it'll be able to pick up these edges and cut all the way around it and have a professional, high quality cut. So basically what you do is you take your paper, you place it on your scan and cut mat. This mat has adhesive on it, so it's going to stick. Once we have our sticker paper, we just put it on our scan and cut mat. Pushed it, come over to our scan and cut machine. We'll go ahead and load our paper in. And obviously on the first attempt on camera it's not going to work. So we take it back out. So once we have our paper in our scan and cut machine, we're going to go to scan, direct cut. We're going to go ahead and load the mat. So right now the scan and cut machine is scanning the entire image, and it's working out. There we go. It's working out. It's recognizing it. Shoot eyes in focus. We're waiting. Alright, cool. Alright, as you can see when it comes up on the screen, this machine is very intuitive. You actually don't even need a printer to use it. We're just going to select what we want to cut out, which is these 3 labels here. With this option, it gives us the ability to cut around, edge cut, contour cut, die cut our images. So I'm not sure if you could see this, but that darkened outline around each image is the path that the blade is going to take to cut out each image. We could get closer inwards to the image, or we could create a little white gap or a bubble. So with this one, I think I'll get a little close or stay the same. With this machine, it's very well recommended that you get one and just play with the different settings. Different paper thicknesses and paper types are going to dictate your best outcome. Alright, cool. So before we actually start cutting into our material, the scan and cut is actually going to show us a detailed outline of what it's going to cut. So as we can see, everything looks good. It gives us the ability to now hit cut. It's going to take about a minute. I don't know, I was cutting something in here before. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use this machine, but it's always good to check your blade depth to make sure everything is good. That looks about right. Put it back in there. We hit cut. Cut. Start. Make sure that's down. And as you see, the machine is now at work. I'll let it stay so you guys can see how long it actually takes to cut this out. It's pretty quick. You could adjust the speed, the pressure. Now I made with 2 hands, so I'm going to pause filming and take this paper out. But as you can see, it only took about a minute. It didn't go all the way through the paper. It just did what you call is a kiss cut, which allowed it to be removed like this, but not go all the way through. And then, you know, you could see the little shine. This paper gives you a little shininess to it. Here's an example of another sticker that we cut out. So you could use this for like a jar lid or a mason jar. Right now, what I'll be doing is putting this on my cup. If I could get this camera to... Cool beans, huh? I got another one. So as you can see, you can be very creative with this machine. You can make labels for wine bottles, styrofoam cups, anything that your imagination could really come up with. So yeah, it's been a quick tutorial. If you guys like, rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, this is the original one. So this was too big to put on a cup, but as you can see, it's very sticky. You can put it anywhere, and you know, it's pretty cool.